Rebecca split. Alright, this happens in a double footlock with 1 foot wrapped. The other fabric will go to the side, and you're going to side lean, keeping that fabric on the outside of the leg and inside of the armpit. Side lean, grab below the fabric with the other hand, and as you come up neutral, swish it to the side, around over to the other side of the knee. From there, grab that same pole and create slack to grab that other side of the tail. Once you have it locked in, you can lean back into a back bend, double crochet that foot on that same side pole, and then you can lean back into your back bend. Keep pulling that back leg down, that wrapped leg down. When you're ready to come up, down arm comes up, grab that same side pole, top leg releases, come up, stand up, neutral. Release that fabric and just reverse it all the way back around. And then make sure you grab the poles back neutral. Alright, if you'd like to see more tutorials, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure you ring that bell so that you're the first to see the tutorials when we post them. And if there's anything that you would like to see, comment below and we will be glad to make you a personalized video. Alright, see you soon.